Hi Karen, you asked me to make a video on how to make dumplings. So this is all the ingredients you need. You need flour, water, and salt. Put the flour in a bowl with a little salt on it. Gonna pour the water on. You're gonna knead the flour with water till it comes to a dough, and it should look something like this. Then you're gonna put a pot with some water, let the water boil, and you're gonna make the dough should be like a ball like this. Then you're gonna put it in the water because it's boiling. Gonna let the dumpling boil for maybe 45 minutes to an hour for it to be cooked. Your dumpling don't have to be perfect if it's gonna be your first time, okay? Just put it in the pot, let it boil. Remember, always wash your hand first. So that's the finishing product, boiled dumpling.